Hey, hello guys, this is Shubhabrata and welcome to our channel Circulation. In today's video, I will unbox a product and show you how to use. Basically, this product comes from PNEUCIS Robotics and it is an automatic pump controller. This comes under a kit where you have to solder the component into the PCB board. So I will show you how you solder the components in the board and how to use with your water pump. So don't skip the video, watch till the end. Let's get started. I will get this package from PNEUCIS Robotics. Along with this package, I will get 3 float switches which I kept aside. And this is the PCB board in the package. This is also from PNEUCIS Robotics, written in the PCB board. This is the relay of 12 volt 10 ampere. You will get 4 of them in the package. This is the power relay of 30 ampere which will control the water pump. These are the relay limit connectors which will connect the auxiliary things with the PCB board. This is the relay limit pin which I have to solder in the PCB board. These are 3 1.5 kilo ohm resistors and these are 3 transparent LEDs. Okay, so next we have the 1N4007 diode. We will also get 4 of them in the package. Now at first, as per the instruction manual, I will put the diode in the board, and while putting the diode in the board, you have to keep in mind the direction of the diode should be matched with the PCB seal screen that is white marked in the PCB board. So you have to put the diode in the right direction. After that, I will solder the diode in the PCB board. I will solder all of the diode. So I will first forward this section. If you don't have any underground reservoir, then you have to short these 2 ports, and here also written that short. If you don't have reservoir, short these 2 pads, and you don't require to solder the relay and the relay limit collector and the diode in the right side. And if you have reservoir, then do not short the pads, and you have to put the relay diode as well as the relay limit connector over there. Okay, so after putting the diode and made the connection, then I am putting the relay limit connection as per the direction in the PCB board, and you will also get more information in the instruction manual. Now I am putting the relays and solder the relays properly. Keep in mind that every shoulder joint must be strong for proper connection. Now I will solder the LEDs, cut the positive leg of all of the LEDs and soldered the 1.5 kilo ohm resistor with the positive leg. And now connect the 2 pin relay limit black wires to the negative leg or cathode of the LED and the brown wire to the resistance terminal. Now the board will look something like this. And now I am connecting the LED and the other relay limit. So I will put the green LED in this position where MS is written in the side of the relay limit connector. and I will connect the relay, the power relay, to the relay mat where RLY is written. You will get the whole information in the instruction manual. After that, I will connect the blue LED to the relay mat where RES, that means reservoir, is written. In the PCB it is written as like RES. After that, I will put the red LED in the relay mat where PWR is written. Actually, red LED is for power indication. Okay, so here is a relay mat also for a switch. If you want to add a switch in the circuit, you can add. As I am not using a switch, so I am shorting the two terminal of the relay mat to make the connection. You can use a switch in between these two relay mat connector terminal, and I am putting this relay mat in the connector where SW is written, and putting the power relay mat. This is the relay mat connector for giving the power, and remind that this board should be supplied with 12 volt DC power supply, and the 12 volt DC power supply should be deliver a minimum 500 milliamps of current. Okay, so I will powering this board with a 12 volt battery. You can use an adapter also. Auto this brown wire, red wire and the black wire will go to the overhead tank, and there two float switch will connect with these three wires, and the orange wire and the black wire will go to the underground reservoir where one float switch will be connected with these two wires. So this board will protect the motor from dry run protection. Whether motor is running, if the reservoir gets empty, the motor will automatically stops, and the blue light indicates that the reservoir is empty. So this board will save your motor as well as automate your responsibility. If you want to save water, then this product is very useful for you, because sometimes it happens that you turn on the water pump and you forget to turn off, so most of the water is wasted by overflowing. So buy this product, and if you buy this product going through my link in the description, you will get 50% off. Yes, you heard me right, that you will get 50% off. And if you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and if you are new or seeing me for the first time, then subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. Social media links is in the description. And most important thing, be creative.